am Jeff.
And I'm Paige, and together we are
Jeff and Paige.
Today we are going to create a special kind of electricity using white rocks called quartz that you can find just about anywhere.
Hoy vamos a crear un tipo especial de electricidad con piedras blancas que podemos encontrar en casi cualquier sitio. Se llaman cuarzos.
Let's go outside and find some rocks.
Vámonos afuera.
Here's a whole bunch of different examples of quartz. These rock piles that you can find in people's landscaping are great places to look for them. Now that you've got your quartz, all you need is somewhere inside that's completely dark, a bathroom or a closet, un lugar completamente oscuro. Vámonos.
Okay, here's what you do. And here's what it looks like in the dark.
Not only does it look really cool, it also has a smell. It kind of smells like burning a little bit, but don't worry, it's totally safe.
Well, that was fun. This type of electricity we just created is called Piezoelectricity. Let's see that word right up here. O, en español, la palabra es Piezoelectricidad. Vamos a ver esta palabra aquí. As we mentioned, this type of electricity and this experiment is completely safe. Es completamente seguro. The electricity is completely contained within the rock, and you are making it by using the heat and pressure of rubbing those two rocks together. Rocks are truly remarkable. That reminds me of a music video. Hit it!
A little songs. Big science.
Ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, we're hiking, ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, we're hiking, ooh.
Ouch! Jeff, these rocks are hurting my feet. I guess I should have worn shoes on this hike after all. Oh, there's some sand up there. It looks softer. Let's hike that way.
Okay, Paige, but actually sand is just billions of tiny rocks all smoothed over by wind and water and time, so technically we'd still be walking on rocks.
Jeff, do you ever stop thinking about rocks?
No, they are remarkable.
Rocket's remarkable, rocket's incredible. Rock isn't living and rock isn't edible. Rock is the thing I tend to think of when I try to think of nothing at all. Rock can be sharp like an arrow or smooth like a ball. Oh, rock. When two rocks rub together, eventually they make sand.
When sand is compacted by time and pressure, it becomes a rock again.
A rock on the shore, the ocean floor, eventually gets so smooth.
And when a big old rock is carved by a river,
little pebbles start to move. Oh, rock-a-bye Rocky on the hilltop. Wind blows and water flows, so erosion don't stop. Shh, rocks can stay still for like thousands of years.
Good morning, little rock.
Rocket's remarkable, rocket's incredible. Rock isn't living and rock isn't edible. Rock is the thing I tend to think of when I try to think of nothing at all. Rock can be sharp like an arrow can be found at the bottom of the ocean or trapped up in glacial ice.
Rocks can be made of sand or hot lava. Don't you think that's nice?
They're categorized by the way they were formed. Were they compacted by strata?
Or volcanically warmed?
Metamorphic?
Igneous?
Sedimentary? The crystals of the geode are legendary. Now stop! Take a look at your rock. Close your eyes.
Feel all the sides. Listen to it. Sniff it.
Now, eyes open, have a staring contest with it.
And the winner of the staring contest is and always will be rock.
Rock, it's remarkable, rock, it's incredible. Rock isn't living and rock isn't edible. Rock is the thing I tend to think of when I try to think of nothing at all. Rock can be sharp like an arrow or smooth like a ball.
Oh, rock. No.
Oh, rock.
Yes.